Most 23-year-olds struggle to save even 2,000 rupees a month, but Rohan, a final-year engineering student, quietly built 12 lakh rupees in savings by age 23 using just one rule. Not crypto, not options trading, not freelancing secrets, just one simple system. Rohan didn't come from a rich family. He grew up in a middle-class household. His father worked a public sector job, and his mother managed the home. There was no big pocket money, no inheritance, and certainly no overnight success story. But he understood one thing very early on: wealth is built by habits, not by income. The rule he followed is called income first, spending later. Now, while that sounds almost too simple, you'd be surprised how few people actually practice it. Most people get their salary, spend on bills, lifestyle, and everything else, and then try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. If anything, Rohan just skipped this entirely. So how does this rule actually work? It's incredibly straightforward. Every single time money entered his bank account, whether it was a stipend, a scholarship, income from a part-time gig, or his internship salary, a fixed percentage of that money moved instantly into a separate savings account. During college it was 40%. During his internship, he bumped it up to 50%. There was zero negotiations, zero emotions. It was an automatic, non-negotiable step. The money for savings was gone before he even had a chance to think about spending it. Let's look at the real numbers to see how this compounded over 4 years after he turned 19. He got a scholarship of about 4,500 rupees per month, and he saved 40% of that. Then he landed an internship that paid 10,000 rupees a month, and he saved 50% of it. He also took on a remote project that brought in 18,000 rupees, and again, he saved 50%. After graduation, he got a job with a salary of 38,000 rupees a month and managed to save 45%. When you add it all up, his total savings over those 4 years came to roughly 12,38,000 rupees. There are no crazy return assumptions here. This is just the power of simple compounding time, and most importantly, consistency. So, why does this rule work so well? It's all about psychology. When you save first, your brain automatically adjusts your spending to fit what's left. It doesn't feel like a sacrifice. It just feels like your normal available budget. But when you spend first, saving always feels like a chore, an impossible task. This is the exact psychological loop that keeps 90% of salaried people stuck in the middle-class trap, living paycheck to paycheck no matter how much they earn. And here's the hard truth that many of us face. Most people think they need to earn more to save more, but the middle-class trap works in a very sneaky way. When your income increases, your lifestyle expands even faster. You get a raise, and suddenly you're justifying a new phone, more expensive shoes, eating out every weekend, and taking an Uber instead of the bus. Before you know it, that extra income is gone, and you still have nothing left to save. It's a cycle that's very hard to break. Let's simplify Rohan's rule one more time because its beauty is in its simplicity. Money is received, a fixed percentage is saved immediately. You live on the rest, that's it. He treated his savings like rent or a loan payment. It was a non-negotiable expense that had to be paid first, no matter what. But here's the interesting twist. He wasn't living like a monk. He didn't avoid life. He traveled, ate out with friends, and bought small gadgets he wanted. The key difference was he did all of this only from the money that was left after saving, not before. This subtle shift in mindset allowed him to stay incredibly disciplined, without ever feeling like he was depriving himself of joy or experiences. He was living his life, just within his means. The biggest lesson for you, especially if you're between the ages of 18 and 25, is this. Your biggest advantage right now is not your income, it's your time. A 40% saving rate at age 22 is far more powerful than a 10% saving rate at age 32, thanks to the magic of compounding. The earlier you get control of your lifestyle and build the habit of saving first, the faster your wealth will grow without you even noticing. One rule, for years, 12 lakh rupees. There were no hacks, no secrets, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just a simple, repeatable system. The only question left is what percentage will you choose to save first? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos on building smart financial habits.